Hello, this is Cooking with Greenbird. In case if you haven't noticed, I have not been in an Angry Bird video in Charlie News. This is an Angry Bird random battle. I thought we could do a cooking show vintage. Right now, I'm making frozen sponge cake. I love it. I'll show you it right now. Yes, as you can see, this is frozen sponge cake. This is my grandmother's favorite food and mine. I'll tell you the ingredients right now. The first ingredient you need to do is put water in. You get SpongeBob. You have to put water in a bowl and then wait a little bit so you can absorb some of the water. Then put them in. And then that's step 1. Step 2. You have to put them in the freezer. You might have to wait a couple hours or a day or so. I don't know. Anyway, the last thing you need to do is you need to take them out and eat them. I don't know if you're gonna eat them an apple. Who cares? Here, I'll show you how you do them. Okay? As you can see, SpongeBob already has water in it from the sink, and he absorbs some in it. Next thing you need to do is you need to put it in the freezer. Yes. Then probably next will be in a few hours, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay? As you can see, this is frozen sponge cake. Let's take it out. Oh dear, it's awfully cold and heavy. Hold on. Yes, here's the frozen sponge cake. But sponge so cold. Yes, so this is sponge cake. Let's see how Pig likes it. Sorry about that, folks. Are you okay? Yeah, he's dead. Anyway, here's our Angry Bird Random Battle episode. So, hope you enjoy this Angry Bird Random Battle. Sorry so quick, but hope you enjoy the video. Alright, all of you will be trying today to find the sponge cake. Does any of you have ideas? We can always find it. No, that'll take too long. I got an idea. We could always follow the green bird. You get a raise. How much money? 1 penny. Oh, come on. I see $1. Yay. Alright. Now let's go get the sponge cake. Who's a good sponge cake? Who's a good sponge cake? Yes, you are. That's my food. I want to eat it. Oh. Are you okay? Oh, he's cold. He's frozen. He's frozen. Now I can make frozen pancake with pumpkin. Yay! Now all you guys do is cook him.
He's frozen! We need to get him out! But how? That's it! How? Do you have strength? No. Wait, come on! Now don't the moment sure it's frozen. Well, that was useless.
Okay, let's see. Frozen pig recipe. What's that? Hey, where are you going with that? I'm gonna eat it. We're eating your stuff now. Right. Yay! Now I have 2 pigs. This is gonna be yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy! Ha! When Weaver wasn't looking, I took the sponge cake. Now it's all mine! Okay, Angry Bird. Are you the only bird in this episode? I don't know, but who cares? Eat it! Really? Sure, why not? Eat it. It's a pop person, Yeah, it's been frozen for at least like 10 days. Anyway, now can make frozen pig cake. Yes, and here come the credits. Da, 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 da. I am so sorry, people, that we are 18 days late. I am so sorry, and I hope we could help you. You see, the first to give us a comment will win maybe frozen pig cake. I don't know, but it's really tasty. So the first person to post a comment wins a frozen pig cake, and it's really good. Yeah, so subscribe. The camera. Oh, right. So subscribe. Hold on. Some of the episodes will have new Angry Birds, and some of them will not. So, check out these remaining episodes and get ahead. Type in JJ and Mobile and search for Mari Lives and Charlie News. Okay? And so, hope you're happy!